Part of Yajurveda. Shukla Yajurveda. Illuminating the sacred path of rituals, wisdom, and cosmic harmony. The Shukla Yajurveda, a profound and intricate scripture, serves as a bridge between the realms of rituals and spiritual wisdom. This article delves into the depths of the Shukla Yajurveda, exploring its origin, divisions, rituals, philosophical teachings, and its timeless significance in guiding humanity towards cosmic alignment. Brief overview. The Shukla Yajurveda, one of the two main branches of the Yajurveda, offers a unique tapestry of rituals and profound insights. Rooted in the ancient Vedic tradition, it guides seekers towards a harmonious existence by uniting the practices of rituals with the quest for spiritual enlightenment. Origin and divisions. The Shukla Yajurveda is associated with sage Yajnavalkya, who is credited with arranging its verses. It is divided into two primary recensions, the Vajasneyi Sanghit and the Madhyandina Sanghit, each with distinct structures and practices. These recensions preserve a diverse array of hymns, prayers, and rituals that encapsulate the essence of Vedic spirituality. Ritualistic precision. A hallmark of the Shukla Yajurveda lies in its meticulous description of rituals. It provides detailed instructions, mantras, and symbolic actions required for various ceremonies, highlighting the importance of maintaining cosmic order through disciplined practices. The Veda emphasizes the unity of the microcosm and macrocosm, where rituals mirror the harmony of the universe. Philosophical insights. Beyond rituals, the Shukla Yajurveda delves into philosophical contemplation. The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, a significant text within the Veda, explores profound concepts such as the nature of reality, the self, Atman, and the ultimate reality, Brahman. These teachings guide seekers towards self-realization and understanding the interconnectedness of all existence. Cosmic alignment and unity. The Veda underscores the theme of cosmic alignment. By adhering to rituals and contemplating the philosophical teachings, practitioners are encouraged to harmonize their actions with the cosmic rhythm. This union of rituals and wisdom promotes the idea of unity amidst diversity, bridging the gap between the mundane and the divine. Enduring relevance. In today's fast-paced world, the Shukla Yajurveda's teachings offer profound insights. Its rituals and philosophy provide individuals with tools to balance material pursuits with spiritual growth. Its wisdom remains relevant as it guides seekers towards self-awareness, compassion, and a deeper connection to the universe. Conclusion. The Shukla Yajurveda serves as a luminous beacon, illuminating the path of rituals and wisdom within the vast ocean of Vedic knowledge. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and philosophical inquiries, we embark on a transformative journey. The Veda beckons us to harmonize our actions, cultivate inner wisdom, and align ourselves with the cosmic order, guiding us towards an existence that resonates with the rhythm of the universe.